Hello guys and welcome back. Today we are going to take a look on how to make your 3D characters look more 2D. I have these two characters to show you how cool it will look like. This is going to be a two-part tutorial. In the first part we are going to cover the materials, and in the second one we are going to take a look at this cool outline. As you can see, this outline is being rendered in real time. We are in render mode and we can see this cool outline. It's not the freestyle one. We are going to take a look at it as well, but this one is, as you can see, way better. So let's just jump into it. So as I have said, we are going to cover first the materials. I have these two materials. This one is being influenced by this sunlight. If I rotate it, the shadow is going to follow this path. And the second one is not being influenced by this sunlight. So if I change it, nothing happens. Instead, we have to use this rotation to change the orientation of our shadow. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this. First of all, we are going to hide this monkey and we are going to add a second one. We are going to subdivide it by 3. You can press Ctrl 3 or just go to add modifier subdivision and 3 levels. We are going to shade smooth and we are going to add our first material. We are going to get rid of our principal BSDF node and we are going to add a color ramp. We are going to join this to our material output. We are going to set this value to constant, okay? And we are going to change our color, maybe browny, which I use in the monkey that I just showed you. Okay, like this maybe, and this a little bit darker because this is going to be our shadow. And we are going to add a mapping node with a texture coordinate. We are going to get rid of this and we are going to change it to normal, from texture coordinate to mapping node normal. Now this is our first material. Okay, as you can see, maybe we are going to decrease this knob right here to something like that, and we are going to change. If I rotate this sun, nothing's happened because we are, as we said, this is the second material that I show you, and you have to change it with this knob. So now this is our first simple material. It's just as simple as that and as easy as this. So really easy, right? And for the second one, we are going to group this. To group this, we press Ctrl G, and we are going to parent our group input to the rotation. Now we can change it from this node. Maybe if you want some highlights, we can add another node right here and change it to be white, like so. And now we have a more toony 3D, 2D looking monkey. And for the second material, we are going to cut this, and we are going to add a diffuse shader. So we search diffuse okay, and shader to RGB, and now nothing happened because we have to add as well a color ramp. We are going to copy maybe this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, we are going to use the same values to see what happens. So now our monkey changes with the rotation of our sun. Pretty cool, huh? And it's a really simple material. So maybe this has to be a little bit closer in this case. And we have our cool 2D looking monkey. As I have said before, we are going to take a look at the outline in the second part of this tutorial. So stay tuned for that, because as I have shown you at the beginning, we can make some cool looking stuff. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching.